everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing a review of Pantene Oil Replacement. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes in a tube. In terms of consistency and texture, this is like a thick cream and it has like an instant smoothing effect on your hair. Now I'm someone who experiments quite a bit with my hair, with color, with regular heat styling. My hair actually goes through a lot, and not to mention the pollution of this city has a really bad effect on your hair. So my hair goes through a lot of stress, and especially with the coloring and styling, I feel like it definitely needs a little extra nourishment than what it used to. We all know that oiling is good for the hair, but oiling is also something that is a bit messy, it's sticky. You need to stay at home when you've oiled your hair, and also the actual length of the hair is not living tissue. So while oil gives like really good nourishment to your scalp, it doesn't really do much, nothing special to the length of your hair, which is non-living tissue. So something like an oil replacement which you can use instantly, which is not messy, which smells nice and gives you that instant manageability and nourishment to your hair, works really well. And that's where I think oil replacement is a really handy product for, you know, the girl of today. It makes your hair soft and manageable. It takes away the frizziness, it gives it nourishment. You can use it every day if you've got like really dry ends, and it also makes your hair 2 times stronger. It's really simple to use. You can use it when your hair is in a damp state right after a shower. You can take a walnut sized amount on your palm, rub it on your palm. It's got a somewhat thick consistency. Run it through your ends, and instantly you will see that it detangles your hair. You can also use it if when your hair is dry, if you feel like, you know, you need just a little bit of nourishment, something to just tame down the frizz, give it a smoother, shinier look. You can use it in dry state as well. So if you're looking for something that can give you that instant benefit of smooth, manageable hair without the hassles of oiling, you can give the Pantene Oil Replacement a try. And that is all for this video. I'm going to link the shop links for this if you want to buy it online in the description box below. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you soon in my next video. Bye.